But when noon came, and I was being a terrible owner and not getting up to feed Cooper, he got impatient. His little claws clacked across the linoleum as he paced back and forth. He pawed at the fridge before returning to my side with his little whine. Why wasn't I feeding him his lunch? He was clearly going to starve to death, even though I'd given him his breakfast. A half hour past his lunch, Cooper growled. I'd never heard him growl before, but he sounded genuinely pissed off. I couldn't see him, but I could just imagine him glaring at me. I half expected him to finally bark for the first time since we'd taken him in. Instead of barking, though, he bit me. His teeth sunk into my calf, hard. It was agonizing, only made worse by the fact I couldn't scream. Cooper didn't let go, either. He just pulled, actually dragging me a few inches before my skin finally gave, and he tore away a healthy chunk of skin and flesh. The pain got so much worse. Cold sweats poured down my face as I heard Cooper chew and swallow. I was nearly sick.